Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your daylist in your Spotify. So let's get started. So here I will just open my daylist. Okay. So to make your daylist or how it works, so let me explain you first. So daylist is a playlist made by the Spotify. What you listen daily basis, and they will make the customized playlist, and you can play in a daily basis. Like if you're driving a car, if you're sleeping, like that, you can use it. So for example, you can see my songs. Okay, so you can just play them here, and this is the daylist. Okay, and by this way you can use it, and you can make your own personalized also. So this is it. And if you have any question related to this, to how to use a daylist, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.